Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use the progress bar feature in monday.com. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to monday.com. Over here, click the login button in the top right corner. After that, sign in using Google or enter your email address. Then select your account if needed. Then navigate to the board you want to work with. Over here, go to the last column and click the plus sign to add a new column. In the search bar, type progress tracking. Then click on the progress tracking option. After that, a progress bar column will appear. It will automatically show the percentage of tasks completed based on the status columns. When you mark tasks as done, the percentage updates instantly. At the bottom of the column, you'll also see the overall progress for the group. Just make sure your status columns are correctly set up. Once all are marked as done, the progress bar will show 100%. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.